Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Xerox DocuMate scanner, the DocuMate AC Adapter Power Supply. This isn't just any power cord. It's specifically designed to bring reliable and safe power to several popular Xerox DocuMate models, ensuring your scanning operations run smoothly without a hitch. This power adapter is engineered to be fully compatible with models like the Xerox DocuMate 3115 scanner, XDM31155MW, the Xerox DocuMate 3125 sheet scanner, XDM31255MW, and the Xerox DocuMate 272 flatbed scanner, XDM2725DW. It's a crucial component, and finding a trustworthy replacement can be a real challenge. This DocuMate adapter steps in, offering a dedicated solution for these devices. One of the most significant aspects of any power supply is safety, and this DocuMate adapter truly shines. It boasts international quality certifications, adhering to rigorous industry standards. Users can rest assured knowing it incorporates multiple safety mechanisms. We're talking about robust protection against short-circuiting, preventing damage to your valuable scanner, as well as safeguards against overvoltage and overcurrent. These features are vital for maintaining device longevity. Furthermore, it includes internal overheating protection, ensuring the adapter itself operates within safe temperature limits, a huge plus for continuous use. From a technical standpoint, the input specifications are quite versatile, accepting AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide voltage range makes it suitable for use in various regions, offering flexibility. The high power exchange efficiency is another commendable characteristic. This efficiency is key to controlling the adapter's working temperature, preventing excessive heat, and contributing to a stable working environment for your scanner. A stable power supply translates directly into consistent scanner performance, exactly what you need for critical document handling. The DocuMate brand emphasizes reliability, and this product reflects that commitment. It's designed not just to power your device, but to do so safely and efficiently. However, a very important point to remember, as highlighted by the manufacturer, is to always double-check compatibility before purchasing. While it covers several popular Xerox DocuMate models, taking a moment to confirm it matches your specific scanner's model number will save you any potential hassle, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Ultimately, for anyone in need of a dependable replacement or a spare power adapter for their compatible Xerox DocuMate scanner, this DocuMate offering presents itself as a strong contender. It combines essential safety features with efficient power delivery, all designed to keep your important scanning tasks running smoothly and securely. It's a practical investment for maintaining the functionality of your office equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.